Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. So we're going to be taking a look at the market and see what's going on, and take a look at the trading chart, Bitcoin charts, and see where the support is, where the resistance is, and where we're going from here. Yeah, be careful out there guys. If you're trading futures, you're trading spots or margin, make sure you get someone to guide you, and we have an academy where you can learn. We've been trading for many years, right? We've made a lot of mistakes, we've made a lot of gains, right? So we have the experience. We've lost a lot of money, we've made a lot of money also, so we have the experience to get you started with crypto, right? Just take a look at this course, just register and get started. So let's look at the market. So Bitcoin is currently around $47,000, and personally I'll call this a discount sale. So Bitcoin is on discount. You know, this is the point where the weak hands sell, but it's always good to look at Bitcoin in the bigger picture, right? For those of you that are new to my channel, you probably might not know about DCA BTC. So it is DCA BTC, dollar cost averaging BTC. So it's just a way of buying a particular dollar amount of Bitcoin every day, or every week, or every month, right, consistently. So this is the little calculation right here. If you've been saving $100 if you've been saving $100 in Bitcoin every day within the last 9 years, starting exactly 9 years ago, right, you would have saved a total of $328,000. But since you're saving it in Bitcoin, that $328,000 will be worth $599 million. You see? So so when you see the price of Bitcoin crash like this, don't look at this. This is the smaller picture. This is the bigger picture. As you can see, during this point it came up, and this point it came down, came up, it came down, down, came up, came down. But what some people do is they look at these small changes and then they give up, right? It's best to look at the bigger picture, right? So everything that's happening around here before happened around here, also happened around here, also happened around here, also happened around here. I'm telling you confidently because I've checked out the chart before deeply, right? And I know once you zoom in, which that's not what we're doing in this video, once you zoom into here, right, you'll see a pattern like this. Now in a few years time, in a few years to come, this place here is going to look like this place. So look at the bigger picture. All right, so let's take a look at the charts. Alright, so for those of you in our trading channel on Telegram, so we actually predicted the market would fall to this point, right, or keep going up and fall to this point. Alright, so it actually fell to the first part, but the second prediction did not hold, because what we predicted was it will fall to this point and then go back up. So it fell, actually went down a little bit, came back up a little bit, but did not go up, but rather came down, right? So that is why in our trading signal we give people several entry points, and also we have a risk trading strategy method that helps us take advantage of however the market goes, right? So if you care to join the channel, just chat me up on WhatsApp. Alright, so let's take a look at the news. So McCock acquires local sports club Bedford FC with Premier League ambitions, right? So Peter McCock is a crypto investor, and of course is doing all this to bring more popularity to crypto and blockchain. That is just the news around there. Universities including Berkeley, MIT, Harvard, Oxford to form EduDAO, Education DAO. DAO here means decentralized autonomous organization, to promote Web3 innovations financed by BitDAO Treasury, right? So this is a good innovation, and it will bring about adoption in blockchain and cryptocurrency. I hope we could get something like this in Africa, but let's see how it goes. So from some news from Opera Mini here, and of course I love this advert, get Dubai visa with Bitcoin. Opera browser and Solana Labs now in partnership, right? I'm going to read you news right here. Opera, one of the world's early browser, continues to align with blockchain technology. In recent developments, Opera is set to work with Solana Labs. This partnership is geared towards the integration of Solana blockchain into its browser. That's mind-blowing. By integration, it implies that Solana-based decentralized applications will be supported in the browser. In turn, this will give Opera's numerous users direct access to the Solana blockchain, thereby removing the hurdles associated. This is mind-blowing. So that means you'll be able to maybe transact Solana tokens through the browser. And of course, Opera Mini has been there for a very, very long time. They have millions of users, right? So this is one great way to bring about adoption to cryptocurrency. So you might want to grab yourself some Solana tokens. I'm going to do a video where I'll be highlighting some top Solana tokens that you could buy and hold for long term. All right, so in some I call it entertainment news, but of course the entertainment is so Pepsi joins the NFT world in grand style. So we all know what Pepsi is, but some of us might not know what NFT is. NFT is just the crypto version of media, right? So you have a picture, you have a video, you can create an NFT, or you have a song, you create an NFT of that piece of art, right? I'm gonna be bringing us more news about the Pepsi NFT, but just know this is just coming up newly and it's gonna be big in the future. So this news is brought to you by Lightblocks. All right, in some Visa news. Visa have been showing huge support for cryptocurrency and blockchain, and it's something we need to pay attention to. So Visa ready to offer crypto advisory services. Yep, for them to start offering crypto services right now, it means that the banks around the world will soon start accepting cryptocurrency, because Visa supports most of these banks. Most ATM cards have Visa. And of course they want to let their users to start using crypto, because that's one of the products they offer. All right, more adoption for crypto then. All right, in another university news, we already read that. So Consensus launches rollups for privacy enabled transactions on Ethereum blockchain with support of Mastercard. So we just read about Visa recently and now Mastercard. Now, this news makes me believe that Bill Gates is somehow behind this news, because Bill Gates is one of the biggest investors in Mastercard, right? So we just read about Visa, and right now we're reading about Mastercard. That's to let you know that banks are coming into crypto, right? Right now they seem as though they are fighting crypto, but these are just tactics, right? They're just doing all this so that the prices will go down, and then they buy, and then when they're done implementing whatever they're implementing, they'll not tell you, hey, you can now store your crypto with us, and our Visa and Mastercard will support your different cryptocurrencies. Now, what I advise you is not to fall for that, because they're bringing all these useless laws, telling you, hey, you can't send cryptocurrency with your app, with your banking platform or account, so that the prices will go down and they can buy. Never fell for that. All right, I'm a huge believer in crypto technology, says former US SEC chair. Now, this is no news, right? We know they're just all trying to manipulate the market. Today, when someone in this US SEC will be like, hey, we're coming after crypto, and tomorrow someone will say, hey, we love crypto. But we know the rule, we know the game, we know what we're trying to do. It's just pure market manipulation. So I was saying recently that some countries are trying to ban Bitcoin, which we understand, right? It's just one of those things they do to try to make the prices go down. So what they do is they'll tell you it's bad, and then they'll try to bring out their own cryptocurrency, just like Facebook did, or try to bring out their own CBDC. All right, so in an NFT news, Cointelegraph Consulting is NFT music an untapped opportunity. Yes, it is an untapped opportunity. I'm not going to go through all the news, but like I said earlier, NFT is crypto for the media world, right? So if you have a piece of music, you have you're an artist, you draw, right? Whatever you do in arts industry, you can actually convert it into crypto called NFT and make a nice amount of money. Right now, last news for the day: Voyager Digital will be crypto brokerage partner for National Women's Soccer League. Yep, so these are just moves to make crypto, more popular and increase the speed of adoption. Alright guys, that's all I have for you today. Then there's something I'd like to talk to you guys about. It's called Cryptostats, right? It's an auto trader, right? It's a trading bot. All you just have to do is click get started and you are good to go. Right, it's a Telegram trading bot, right? You click get started, you pay the fee, and you can start trading from there. They give you these are the packages up to 5 spot and 5 futures signals per month. Lots and lots of other benefits, right? So these are the different packages. You can choose the package you want, and if you want one-on-one mentorship, you can also get one-on-one mentorship through this platform, right? Yeah, feel free to join any of the packages. And also on Blockchain University, you can learn how to trade here also. Oh no, this gives you the fundamental of cryptocurrency. This you can learn how to create a blockchain smart contract over here, and there's a trading course. Yeah, this is the trading course right here. All right guys, of course this course will teach you how to trade on your own, the way you don't need to depend on the bot. All right guys, that's all I have for you on the channel today. Please do make sure you like, subscribe to the channel and like the video. All right, see ya.